Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn one last important example of double integration by changing the order. So our question is, evaluate integration from 0 to a, integration from y square by a to y, y divided by a minus x minus y square root over dx to y by changing the order of integration. First we take let I equal to integration from 0 to a and integration from y square by a to y, y divided by a minus x into root over of ax minus y square dx dy, that is equal to, this is our x limit is from y square divided by y to a to y, and this is our y equal to 0 to a, and y divided by a minus x into root over of ax minus y square dx dy. So that is equal to double integration over r y divided by a minus x into root over of ax minus y square dx dy, where R is the region bounded by x equal to y square divided by a, x equal to y, and y is our 0 and y is our a. First we see this region, that is y square equal to ax, so which is a parabola, having vertex at 0 0, and focus is our a divided by 4 0. Then we draw the diagram, and x equal to y is our straight line passing through the origin, and y equal to 0 is our x-axis, and y equal to a is our line parallel to x-axis. So first we draw the diagram, that is our y-axis and this one is our x-axis. So this is our origin, and y square equal to ax is a parabola, origin 0 0, and focus is a by 4 0. So this is our focus. So our parabola is our parabola. Next we draw a straight line passes through the origin, that is x equal to y. So this is our straight line, x equal to y. Then we find the intersection point. Then we know y equal to a, where y equal to a goes from. So now our parabola is y square equal to ax, and the straight line is x equal to y, x square equal to ax, that implies x into x minus a equal to 0. So our x equal to 0 and a. So this is our a point. So this is our P A, and this parabola is y square equal to ax. So our line y equal to a passing through this intersection point. So this is our y equal to a, and y equal to 0 is our this line, x-axis. So the region is bounded by x equal to y, y square equal to ax, and y equal to a, y equal to 0. So the region bounded by this is our region. because x equal to 0 is not given here, given y equal to 0. So this is the region bounded by. So this is our R region. So now we changing the order. First we find the limit of y, then we find the limit of x. So for finding the limit of y, first we draw a line parallel to y axis. So that is the line parallel to y axis. Now our I is equal to, first we write the y limit, then we write the x limit. Here our y limit is from this to this. So y is from x to this one is our parabola, that is y equal to root over of ax. So y is from x to root over of ax, and x is from this to this. This is our x limit. So x limit is from 0 to a. So x limit is from 0 to a. Then we simplify the integration. First we integrate with respect to y. So this one goes outside, that is equal to integration x equal to 0 to a, y equal to x to root over of ax, y divided by root over of ax minus y square dy into dx divided by a minus x. First we put b equal to ax. Next let b equal to ax and put b minus y square equal to t square. That is, put b equal to x, then b minus y square equal to t square. B minus y square is equal to t square. That implies 2 dt, 2t dt equal to minus 2y dy. That implies t dt is minus y dy. Then it is equal to x limit is from 0 to a, y limit is from x to root over of ax, and our y dy is minus t dt. So minus goes outside, t dt divided by b minus y square. This is our b. b minus y square is t square, root over of t square is t. Then dx divided by a minus x. T goes cancel out. Here we get t minus x is from 0 to a. So t limit is from y equal to x to root over of ax into dx divided by a minus x. Then we put the value of t, that is equal to minus x is from 0 to a, value of t is root over of b minus y square. It is root over of b minus y square. Y is from x to root over of ax into dx divided by a minus x. So first we put the value of ax here, then we put y equal to x. First we put the value of b is our ax. So that is equal to minus integration from x equal to 0 to a. B is our ax minus y square root over, and integration y is from x to root over of ax into dx divided by a minus x. Then first we put the upper limit here, then we put the lower limit here. After putting the upper limit and lower limit, we get this much: x minus x root over minus x minus x square root over dx divided by a minus x. So that is equal to minus x equal to 0 to a, that is 0, and this is minus minus plus. So plus 1 by a minus x into root over of ax minus x square dx. So that is equal to x is from 0 to a. First we take common here x. So root over of x into root over of a minus x divided by a minus x dx. So root over 1 root over, here finishes x is from 0 to a root x divided by a minus x dx. Here a minus x to the power 1 minus half is half. So then put x equal to a sin theta. X equal to a sin square theta. Then our dx is equal to 2a sin theta into cos theta d theta. 2a sin theta into cos theta d theta when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, then theta equal to 0. When x equal to a, then our theta must be pi by 2. So that is equal to theta is from 0 to pi by 2. X is a sin square theta root over, and that is equal to a minus a sin square theta root over into dx is our 2a sin theta cos theta d theta. 2a sin theta into cos theta d theta, that is equal to theta is from 0 to a, 1 minus sin square theta is our cos square theta and it is cos theta, and a get cancel out. So sin theta divided by cos theta into 2a sin theta into cos theta d theta. 1 cos theta get cancel out, 2a goes outside, that is 2a integration from theta equal to 0 to a sin square theta, that is not a, that is pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. So this is our, from reduction formula we get 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled out, then our answer is pi divided by 2. So this is our region bounded by parabola and straight line. So we get pi a divided by 2. This is our last example on by changing the order of double integration. So any doubt in order changing, you can ask me in comments. Thank you students.